This video looks at ways to measure and reduce production losses. You observe performance variability even though your operation makes use of control systems and advanced process control installations. High and low swings in recovery, production rate, cost, and availability remains unexplained. Some shifts seems to perform better than others. Time is however limited and plant engineers can't spend too much time on root cause analysis. Performance variance is an operational risk. Operational risk is the potential loss as a result of poor process and or equipment efficiency, external factors affecting the process, and or the substandard interpretation of data and decisions. To reduce variability, one must understand that performance reporting is the consequence or outcome of how the plant was managed during the reporting interval. To provide insights into issues causing performance variance, we developed a metric that quantifies the operational risk. We use the time and state platform to transform process measurements such as temperature, flow, pressure, and level into a definition of ideal state or optimum operating envelope. We measure losses by delivering an ideal state definition for each module within the process and subsequently measure each module's ability to comply with the ideal state. This quantifies the operational risk exposure. It establishes a platform to troubleshoot and eliminate constraints within the process. There is an inverse correlation between variability and compliance with ideal state. Let's use recovery as an example. Any one or more of the elements can cause variable performance. Two questions that we need to ask. One, what is the ideal state or optimum operating envelope for each module? That is, what is the specific operating conditions that deliver optimum performance? The second question is, how well do each module comply with ideal state? We find that modules operate within ideal state for only 40 to 60% of the total operating time. Do you know what your plant's compliance with ideal state is? If not, we know from experience that it will be very difficult to improve performance, and you may find yourself in firefighting mode. We apply our time and state toolset on your process data to provide you with insight into your operational risk exposure. This insight provides you with opportunities to increase profitability without any capital investment. Other operations have realized returns of more than $20 million per annum applying this approach. To enable you, we can perform an assessment free of charge. Call us